Remedies and hacks. Why put garlic under your pillow? What are the health benefits of garlic? Can garlic help sexually? What does garlic do for women's health? The close relatives of garlic include the onion, shallot, leek, chive, Welsh onion, and Chinese onion. Garlic has been used to flavor dishes, get rid of pests, and even play into superstitions of chasing away vampires. What are the health benefits of garlic? Garlic is a superhero. While not actually an Avenger, garlic is greatly valuable. It helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol, and it has an anti-inflammatory effect. It reduces the risk of cancer and promotes a stronger immune system. Garlic has both complex carbohydrates and proteins, improving your physical performance and mental health. Garlic is also high in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Allicin, its main compound, is antibiotic and antifungal. Knowing its value, ancient Egyptians gave garlic to their laborers to prevent infections and improve their health. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories which assist in cardiovascular health. It can also help with increasing the body's blood flow and preventing premature aging. Garlic kills germs better than some prescribed antibiotics. It helps fight fluid buildup in the body and inflammation in the body's tissues. Why put garlic under your pillow? Putting a clove of garlic under your pillow will improve your sleeping patterns. The sulfur compounds in garlic, along with its aroma, have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of one's sleep. Garlic's aroma is strong and can be difficult. However, after a few days, you will get used to it and you'll be sleeping so soundly you will not even notice. Garlic also has a positive effect on your performance throughout the day, and it helps at night to recharge for the next day. Another way to experience the benefits of garlic's ability to help sleep involves preparing a natural drink that will help you relax. Ingredients: 1 glass milk, 1 clove garlic crushed, and 1 teaspoon honey. Directions: combine the garlic and milk in a saucepan and heat until boiling. Let boil for 3 minutes, then remove from heat and let cool. Add the honey and drink. You should drink it around 30 minutes before bed for best results. What does garlic do for women's health? Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans, as well as significantly reduce oxidative stress in those with high blood pressure. A study in menopausal women found that a daily dose of dry garlic extract, 2 grams, decreased a marker of estrogen deficiency, meaning it may have beneficial effects on bone health in women. Can garlic help sexually? High in an ingredient called allicin, garlic can help stimulate circulation and blood flow to sexual organs in both men and women. However, because of garlic's mood-killing smell, you should opt for garlic pills. I hope this video will be useful to you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching!